Hi, my name is Alicia Moniz, and I'm a Microsoft MVP as well as a Kafka and Azure Evangelista here at Confluent. Welcome to the Kafka and Azure Learning Series, a series of topics you can easily digest in 5 minutes or less. The topic for this session is Kafka and Azure, use cases and design patterns. So let's get started. Customers with Kafka on-premises who are looking to move to Azure follow a journey that often starts with data migration, then progresses to hybrid cloud, followed by Azure native app development. Today, I'll be sharing a collection of reference architecture and design patterns. They will illustrate how Confluent expedites delivery on Azure projects. Now, Confluent most likely already exists within your customer's organization and is being used on-premises. Developers are using Kafka connectors to ingest data from mainframe systems, and now the Confluent platform can easily allow you to extend that data pipeline to the cloud. Confluent can easily accelerate delivery on Azure projects with their ecosystem and collection of connectors. For existing Confluent users, we want to tell the bridge to cloud story. We can easily accelerate delivery on database migration and consolidation projects. In this scenario, not only do our connectors provide access to open source systems, but we can also easily flow data from multi-cloud data sources. On the sync side, our team has done excellent work in connecting to the popular Azure databases. In February 2021, we will be announcing the new Cosmos DB connector, developed by Microsoft and covered under Microsoft support. This year, this connector will be added to our collection of managed connectors on Confluent Cloud. Our second bridge to cloud story is around Azure App Modernization. App dev teams don't have to wait for completion of infrastructure projects to build Azure cloud-native applications. Confluent Cloud can kickstart access to data. Additionally, coding needed to access data by multiple dev teams is minimized, and data can be easily distributed in either a hub-and-spoke model or multi-stack development environment. For our Kafka Azure users who have already adopted Microsoft Data and AI, we have a great story about existing capabilities and our partnership with Azure Databricks. We easily fit into the advanced analytics architecture and enable data streams for both hot and cold paths, for both analytical and transactional data. Databricks users can leverage the Confluent Kafka API in either Python or R notebooks. They can also easily access Kafka topics and parse and write out data via Spark structured streaming functionality. On our roadmap for Confluent Cloud is a Databricks connector to be added as a managed connector, not just for Azure, but for GCP and AWS as well. And of course, we have our event streaming capabilities for IoT and our ability to drive data to Azure services. Existing Kafka users have the choice of collecting data on-prem and consolidating with edge devices, then passing on to Azure IoT Hub. Alternatively, data can be passed to Confluent Platform on-prem and replicated to Azure, or passed directly to Confluent Cloud in Azure. As you can see, as Azure adoption grows, both we and Microsoft can continue to grow with the needs of our customers. Thank you for joining me today. You can learn more about Confluent on Microsoft Docs or on the Confluent website. If you are looking for opportunities to engage with fellow Kafka enthusiasts, you can join our community on Slack or visit our forum at forum.confluent.io. While you are there, don't forget to see whether there is a local meetup in your area. Visit our GitHub repo at Confluent Inc. and find example code within the Confluent Azure Examples directory. Thank you. I appreciated your time today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next session.